Well, good morning, everybody. Tire shop problems here for a tire, and I looking at his rig, and you know what? I tell you what, you just don't see a flying mobile drone platform every day just at your tire shop. But a pretty cool little setup here. We're with Caden. He's the pilot. Morning, sir. How are you?
Good.
Well, tell me briefly about your rig.
Well, I spent all winter. This is my winter project. I built the trailer pretty well from the bottom up. It had the frame, but I
Here, stand over here next to it so we can get that in. There we go.
stiffened it and built everything from here up, and did all the plumbing myself. And
Well, you got I got a big boy generator on there, 18,000.
Yeah. So
Wow.
I didn't want a generator that big, but I don't have a choice because the battery.
The batteries have a lot of draw when you're charging them.
They pull so much. They pull 12,000, a little over 12,000 amps just to charge the battery.
Holy cow.
You can charge the battery in about 9 minutes from 0 to 100, but
Boy, that is hard to be mad at how quick that charges.
yeah, so it keeps me running.
How many gallon tank you got on here?
That's a 500-gallon tank with a 110-gallon mixed tank. This tank only holds fresh water. I don't ever put any chemical in here. All the
Chemicals go over there, mix it.
Water there.
Then we got a landing.
Yeah.
You land up here.
I landed up there, and I don't ever have to come down except to refill that tank. So I just stay up there, swap the batteries, refill the drone. I can fill it 5 times theoretically if I fill the drone full every time with that tank. So about 50 acres or 33, depends on how much
You're putting in there.
It's pretty efficient. It works pretty good.
Where's the ideal application to use a flying drone service?
Well, really when it's too wet. So this spring when all the wheat fungicide needed to be put on and you couldn't get a ground rig on, that was when I would have been most busy, but I wasn't legal yet.
Wasn't legal yet. Gotcha. Well, tell me real quick about your drone. What do you got in here for a drone?
Well, it's an EA Vision J150. It's about the biggest one they make. They're demoing some bigger ones, but I haven't seen them yet.
What kind of payload can you haul? How many gallons are
Holds 20 gallon. I can also put a dry tank in it that holds 150 pounds. The drone.
Dry tank. You can do dry fertilizer too?
Yeah, it don't work very good for fertilizer because you got to put on so much an acre. But like cover crop seeds or like if you want to seed a duck marsh or something like that, it'll work good for that.
I gotcha.
So yeah.
Well, it's pretty cool technology, that's for sure.
The drone weighs 130 pounds empty without a battery. You put the battery in there, that's another 45 pounds. So then plus the water, you're looking at over 300 pounds every time you take off.
That's quite the load for a drone.
Yeah.
It's quite impressive. I love his platform up top. He's got his own social media. We know if you're around here in Southeast Kansas, you need some flying drone services. There's his number. Here's your pilot. He'll take good care of you. And you got a social media? You got anything they can go follow you on?
Just Caden Crane on TikTok.
You better spell that because they won't know.
It's KADENCRAIN. You look me up on Facebook, you'll see my business page on there as well.
Awesome. Well, we're glad to have you here this morning. Neat setup. And thank you for sharing.
Yeah, thanks for the tire.
You bet.